Spence. Levy. Oh, back to Spence. Brown got it inadvertently. Goes for three. Inside. Outdoors. And this is the strawberry flavor. Yes. Morris finding his teammate the time. Spence up top calling for it. The captain goes for three. It's getting closer. The Eagles are.
Okay, coach. So you defended your title. You know, just as you said you would. There was no game 3 as far as you were concerned. Your thoughts on the performance that these guys delivered tonight?
Well, I'm grateful for these guys. These guys played right through this game. Start off scrappy, but we did enough to survive. As I said in previous interview, matchups is going to come down and feel strategy. I mean, I run a risk and I've been doing this all season long. We are playing
Calling Courtney Edwards, a special guest from the Bob Marley Foundation.
And I close the game with a
19-year-old
very experienced player. After losing the first, actually, I'm losing 3-4. To sit back and say, hey, here are one team. We need to pull in, get back together, and from that we don't lose any more games. So we're proud, really proud of what we did this season. This season championship was so good to us.
To be honest, I do believe that my team is a good shooting team and we had a bad shooting performance tonight, and that's just the way basketball is. Basketball is a game of runs, but at the end of the day, I'm proud of my team. We made it to 2 finals in a row. We just have to look back on some of our flaws, fix it, and come again next season.
And look at what you have to work with and build on. What do you think are your prospects for next season?
I have a lot of young promising players. I have a lot of players who should potentially be national players. I always believe that my squad was the best squad in the league no matter what happened tonight. Nobody can take away that feeling from me. However, to win the trophy, you also need a little bit of luck, you need a little bit of consistency and experience. Hopefully we can take this experience into next season.